India's drone ecosystem receives major boost with new PLI scheme. India's burgeoning drone industry is set to receive a significant financial boost with the introduction of a new 3,000 Indian rupees crore, $360 million, production-linked incentive, PLI, scheme. This scheme aims to bolster various segments of the drone sector, including design development for diverse applications such as defense, agriculture, and consumer drones. Details of the new incentive package. The proposed 3,000 Indian rupees crore incentives package will include design-linked incentives, DLIs, to promote drone design across several sectors. This move is expected to help India reduce its dependence on foreign suppliers, especially from China, and foster a self-reliant drone industry. Industry leaders, including the Drone Federation of India, DFI, have welcomed this development, viewing it as a crucial step towards achieving independence in drone technology. Projected growth and market potential. The drone industry in India is anticipated to grow from a valuation of $345 million in 2020 to $9.7 billion by next year, according to EY India and the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, FICCI. By 2030, the local market is expected to be worth $35 billion, with $12 billion from defense supplies and $9 billion from commercial deals. Exports are projected to make up 16% of this market by the end of the decade. Importance of increased fiscal support. Industry stakeholders argue that to meet these growth targets, a more extensive fiscal support program is essential. The previous PLI scheme, introduced in September 2021, was limited to domestic manufacturing and offered a smaller budget, reflecting the nascent stage of the industry at that time. The new scheme aims to address a broader range of needs, including R&D and component manufacturing. Calls for enhanced incentives. Smit Shah, president of DFI, emphasized the need for expanded incentives to support a comprehensive development of the drone ecosystem. He highlighted the geopolitical necessity for local component manufacturing to reduce reliance on foreign supplies, particularly from China. Shah also noted that upfront incentivization is crucial for component manufacturers facing significant risks and capital requirements. Industry reactions and future prospects. Ankit Mehta, CEO of IdeaForge Technology Limited, a BSE-listed drone company, expressed optimism about the new PLI scheme. He emphasized the importance of such incentives in fostering innovation and reducing dependence on generic foreign components. Mehta noted that defense contracts remain a major revenue source for his company, contributing nearly 75% of its revenue. Focus areas of the new PLI scheme. The proposed PLI scheme will allocate 1,000 Indian rupees crore, $120 million, each to three key areas: drone R&D, testing and component infrastructure, and drone manufacturing. This marks a substantial increase from the previous scheme's 165 Indian rupees crore, $20 million, budget, reflecting the growth and evolving needs of the domestic drone sector. Conclusion. The new PLI scheme represents a significant step forward for India's drone industry, addressing the need for increased R&D, component manufacturing, and broader industry support. As the drone ecosystem continues to evolve, this enhanced support is expected to play a crucial role in achieving the sector's ambitious growth targets and fostering a self-sufficient industry. Here are a few Indian-listed companies on the NSE that are involved in drone and drone technologies. IdeaForge Technology Limited, IdeaForge specializes in the design and manufacture of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, for defense, security, and commercial applications. Zen Technologies Limited, Zentech, engages in developing and supplying defense and security equipment, including drone technology and related systems. Garuda Aerospace Private Ltd. Although not currently listed on the NSE, Garuda Aerospace is a notable player in the drone industry and has plans for public listing in the future. Dronacharya Ltd, Dronac, provides drone-based solutions and services for various sectors including agriculture, infrastructure, and mapping. They are involved in UAV development and deployment. These companies are leading the way in the Indian drone industry, each contributing to the development and application of drone technologies in different sectors.